Alright, I wanted to show you how to create random numbers because creating random numbers is something you need to do for the Yahtzee game, and I forgot a little bit when I assigned that we haven't created random numbers yet. Unless you've done the badge random, then you could skip this and you wouldn't be watching it anyway. So, if we are in idle, here's how you do random numbers. It's pretty short and sweet actually. First of all, they're not built into Python, so we have to import a new library. By the way, if you have to do multiple libraries, like if you need to use math or anything else, you can do more than one at a time with commas. Right now, we're just going to use random for this one, and it's really quite easy. In fact, I could just do it in a print statement. I could say I want to print a random dot. So random means use this library, and then the function to use in that library is called random integer or randint. And now that you understand functions, you know that this has parameters. I mean, you might guess that this has parameters. And so it needs two parameters. It needs the lowest number you want to create and the highest number you want to create. And it will just simply give you a random number that is between these two numbers, including the two numbers on the outside. Um, and so it's really that easy. You just can run this and you get a number. And the next time you run it, it will be different. And just for fun, you could put it in a loop if you wanted to, an infinite loop, and run it, and then you'll just get random numbers from 1 to 100 over and over again. So you could just see that that's just how it works. It just creates random numbers. So you can use this if you needed to create a random card. You could do 1 to 52. Then you'd need a big long if statement saying, if it's a 1, it's a 2 of hearts, and if it's a 2, it's a 3 of hearts, and so on and so forth. You could make a dice easily enough. You could do anything you could think of. And then just remember, you don't have to start at once. If you want a random number from 1 to 110, you can do that too. So it's just lowest number, highest number. It takes care of it for you. There's other things you can do in random, but honestly, random integers seems to be the thing that we most want most of the time. So it's that easy.